Or mind works like a monkey. It will not stay at one place. Keep on jumping here and there. If I am here, my mind can go to my relative house, my friend house, and come back. When I'm at home, my mind can go to my office and come back. And when I'm in office, mind can go to my house, my residence, and come back. So when mind is going somewhere, it takes some energy from us, some cosmic energy for going here and there. And because of that, we become tired. We need to control this mind. You must have seen the monkey. There are two types of monkey are there. One, freely moving in the forest, one tree to other tree. When they're sitting at one place comfortably, if you go and try to catch them, they will jump from one tree to other tree. They will not stay at the same place. They keep on jumping here and there. It will be very difficult to control. Another monkey, second type monkey, we see as a trained monkey. Those who are in hand of somebody in circus, you can see. If the person asks monkey to get up, monkey will get up and walk. If they ask to sit, it will sit. They will have a rope in their neck, and that rope, one side of the rope they will be holding in their hand, and they are walking. They are controlling with that rope. They are giving training with that rope. Same way, we also have one rope God has given for this mind. That is called breathing. Our breathing is a connection between mind and our thought, which is coming in the mind. So what happened? We keep on thinking something this side and that side continuously. Like you are trying to study, your mind, chances are there it will stay with you, or it can go to somewhere else. So for concentration, for focus, for success, we need our mind with us. And to control the mind, we do the meditation. We receive the cosmic energy for that. And we can control our mind with the breath. I'll give a very good example. What you do, just close your eye and think about your breath. Just think of your breath. You are inhaling and exhaling. Your mind will not go anywhere. But just you close your eye and think of your study work. What all work you have done. Just try now. Close your eye and think of your study work. Now open your eye. You'll be able to think. Now try again by holding your breath. Just think of your study work by holding your breath. Stop your breathing and then think. Open your eyes. What you are feeling? The first time when you are thinking about your study work without controlling your breath, your mind is going here and there. You are able to think very comfortably. But when you hold your breath, this becomes difficult. This indicates what? There is some relation between breath and mind. So when mind is going here and there, breathing you are taking freely, no control on the breath, so no control on the mind also going here and there. But when you are trying to control your breath, your mind is not going anywhere. So your mind is coming under your control. So controlling mind is a difficult job, but controlling breath is easier. So learn to breathe properly. If you want to control your mind, you have to learn breathe properly. How to breathe? Inhale properly and exhale properly. Take maximum air inside and exhale completely. Long and deep breath. Try doing that. Slowly you find your mind is coming under your control. Or this can happen through meditation also. By doing the meditation, you get control on your breath. And slowly you find your mind is not going anywhere. Mind is staying with you. So very easy to control the mind with the help of breath. Very difficult to control the mind if we are not having control on breath. So this monkey can be controlled with the help of breath. Try and see. Thank you.
Thank you for watching Guruji Acharya Dinesh Kumar Singh at Pran Shakti Sadhana Center. Do subscribe, share and like for more such teachings. You can also email or call and WhatsApp us with any queries. We will be happy to help and guide you to better living.